you want to know the easiest way to improve the quality of your project right from the start? It's all about enhancing your prompt. A higher quality prompt not only makes your project look better, but can also add features you might not have thought of in your initial idea. For example, let's say I'm building a habit tracking app. At first, I just type in a simple prompt. Bolt generates something that works, but it's pretty basic. Now, instead of stopping there, I'll hit the Enhance Prompt button. Right away, the requirements become more refined. Things like streak tracking, local storage persistence, and a clean, responsive UI are added automatically. These are all features you'd expect in a habit tracker, but I didn't include them myself. And it doesn't stop there. I can edit the prompt further or enhance it again, which gives me an even more detailed specification, with things like form validation, multiple screens, and proper routing. When I let Bolt generate from this enhanced prompt, I can already see a much more polished app. It's got specialized components, dedicated pages, and a stronger foundation. Adding a little bit of data shows how much better this version is compared to the first one. So remember, the quality of your prompt makes a huge difference in the quality of your app. And with Bolt, you can refine your prompt with a single click to get a stronger starting point.